sleeping. Tickle. Huh? Oh, good morning, Galena. Morning, Ratchet. How was your sleep? It was okay. Until you showed up. Ratchet? Yes, Clank? Is the ship done? Yes, Ratchet. And I got a new person. Open the door for them. Yes, Ratchet. Activate door. Front door. Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Clank. Hi, Alina. Oh, hey, Tsubami. Don't forget about me. What do you want, Nefarious? Me and Tsubami, right? Me and Tsubami tried to, Tsubami and me opened the door because we want you to remind you, because there's going to be, a festival at the City at Light. Yeah, the City at Light. As long as the pretty girl's gonna be there, I'm going. Cool, let's go. Also, Alina has to stay here because it doesn't have search and go pretty cure. Well, that's okay. I'll be waiting. Ready, Clank? Ready as I'll ever be, Ratchet. Alright, let's go.